This is a campaign creator. So it's going to create campaigns from whatever parameters you put in. So right now we've got 0 campaigns over here. So campaign name, budget, strategy. I like down only. Manual, because you can do auto as well. You don't need to put in the ASIN. This is where you'll copy and paste your list of keywords here. And then you can specify the match type right here. So you've got exact, phrase, broad, product targeting exact, product targeting expanded, close match, loose match, complements, and substitutes. And then we've got the SKU that you want to do this for, the SKU. They're going to put this in the campaign name, ad group name, and this is going to be the specific SKU that you target. And then what you're going to want to do is paste a list of bids in the same order. I do think we should probably have this in individual cells because it makes it easier. But so what you want to do is you want to copy and paste the bids in the exact same order as the keywords here, because it'll match the bid to the keyword. And if it does not have a bid, it will use the ad group default bid that you specify, which in this case is 90 cents. Then you'll put the date, you put some appended text like your name or whatever, your agency, whatever you want to put in there to show that it's your campaign. The number of targets. So like if you want 10 campaigns, 10 keywords per campaign, 20 keywords per campaign. And then you can specify if you want to use placements percentages. So you can do product pages or you can do top of search. So you can do like 10%, 20%, things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and run this one. For this one, when you're in your Excel file, you want to go to macro and it'll say sponsored products. Hit run. What the heck, dude? Hold on, let me see something. It worked literally when I just did it. Hold on. There we go. Cool. Oh, wait, hold on. There we go. So it created all of the campaigns here. So we've got the exact match right here. And you can just upload these campaigns really quickly right here. So it's got 10 per campaign, and you've got 3 campaigns. And then you've got all of your ad group bid, the bids right here. And if it's blank, it's going to be defaulted to the ad group bid. And yeah, all you got to do is upload. Actually, you don't even need to copy and paste. You can just upload this file and it'll create the new campaigns for you.
Yeah, this is a great one as well.
Yep. Cool, man.
So yeah, if the previous campaign builder, I guess we're using the search terms report. So this one, if let's say, for some other reason, we have a list of keywords from maybe a third-party tool. And it's a quick way to build those campaigns. And actually, what I really like about this one is that we can build auto campaigns, and you can choose specific targeting type, or what's it called? So like close match, loose match, because I'm pretty sure I keep trying it with the bulk file to, create like with a specific targeting type, the auto, but it always creates with all 4 of them. Like it's impossible, to have those paused, I think. Or at least I tried with the bulk file.
And then with our tool, it just creates it for you. Yeah. And you've actually used this one extensively. How many campaigns did you create with this one?
Well, probably already over a couple hundred.
Really? That's pretty cool, man. That's actually really sick. That's awesome, dude. Yeah, it's cool, man. And if anyone who comes in the program has issues, our team will troubleshoot those and make sure it's good to go.